Okay, now I'm going to start with the router. Now the first thing you need to do is to press and hold the button down. The button is right here, this circle. Now as you're pressing and holding this button down, you need to plug the power cord in, okay? Okay, now when the light turns off, you can let go of the button. Let go of the button. Now it's going to appear again. Okay. Now when you get the steady white light, as you can see right there, it has been reset. So that's how to reset the router. Okay, now I'm going to reset the mesh point. What you need to do is you need to press and hold down the button. It's this circle right here.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Continue to press and hold down the button. Okay, now you can let go of the button. Now this is going to take about a couple of minutes. And then you're going to hear a message. And once you hear that message, the reset will be complete.
Hi. To get started, use the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And there you go. The mesh point has been reset. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.